Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a video that's slightly different from what I usually do. It's going to be a cooking video. Some of you have actually requested for me to do like a cooking video. I'm not sure why. I guess maybe you guys think that I can't cook and this will be a really entertaining video. Or maybe you guys are genuinely curious on what I cook for Ken on a daily basis. So today I'm going to be cooking for him salmon fried rice. If you guys want to see if I can actually cook or not, just keep watching. I'm going to start cooking the rice first and then I'll do the fish. I think I need to chop some garlic, but it's something I'm very terrible at. Put our rice in this huge container. Okay. I know how to do this, guys. Just when the camera's in front of me, I'm not sure why I'm so nervous. I think I can do 1 cup. I don't think we'll eat that much tonight. You actually gotta wash the rice before cooking it. I know it sounds really like symbolic, but when I was in Australia, I actually didn't wash my rice. So this, I just found out from Ken. I was like shocked that I wasn't gonna wash the rice before cooking it. I have filled it up to the 1 cup level. We will start cooking the rice. Okay, so to cook this salmon, I'm basically just gonna put this in the oven. And set this to, let's do about 120. And let's do about 20 minutes. I think 20 minutes should be more than enough. Hey, I have turned on the light. I'm going to be chopping the garlic. Let's start. Next, we have the veggie, and here it is. I bought some long beans, broccolini, and I decided to throw in some onions. We'll do the broccolini next. Like this is a makeup tutorial. You know, when I do my makeup tutorials, hey guys, having a new product today, and this is what we're using. Canola oil because it's healthier. Remember the salmon? Basically gonna chop this salmon up. Onions in. Long beans mix. Cooking vlog. So Ken is back and he's very camera shy, so he doesn't want to talk on my vlog.
I'm not shy.
Okay, so I am done. So this is the finished product. It doesn't look good, I know, it looks very messy, but actually I've tried this in Australia and I thought it tasted really good, so I think Ken will like it. So these shrimps, right, my mom bought it from Tokyo and she said that it really like brings out the flavor if you're cooking fried rice or pasta. So
are you ready to take any kind of critics or compliments?
I can, because it's on camera, so I just have to like accept whatever you say.
That's the best.
It's so hot.
So firstly,
hey, you turn off the where do you find the Dyson controller? Where do you find this?
You dropped it on the floor.
Oh yeah, because I couldn't find it the whole day. And I was like, shit, how am I going to tell you? Okay, so let me explain this fried rice. It's actually very healthy fried rice. Basically, I love fried rice.
Can I eat now?
Yeah, you can. I always feel it's very unhealthy. So I try to create my own where I add a lot of vegetables.
There's
and
broccoli, green bean.
yeah, and egg. Okay, what do you think?
I'll give this 99 upon 100.
So where's the 1 mark?
Long prawns.
I think it's really good.
I'm actually very impressed. This is my first time eating
Got healthy fried rice.
sweet and healthy fried rice.
I came up with this recipe myself, so if you want the recipe, message me and I'll give it to you. My secret recipe.
No, don't message her, okay? Unless you're a girl. Guys, you cannot message her.
This will be my first and last cooking video. I'll never make a cooking video ever again. It's too difficult. Okay, so gonna enjoy the rest of my dinner. Bye! Say bye!
Bye.